Let us come back to our cutlery. We said that cutlery, you have to soak them for 5 to 10 minutes. So here we shall see how we can wipe with a wiping cloth. You see that I'm changing clothes, right? I'm changing clothes. So this is a wiping cloth. So here, when I want to wipe cutlery, I take cutlery by family. For instance, here I have these 2 knives. They are from the same family. They are dinner knives. So when you are wiping the knife, you use the dry, clean wiping cloth. And you have to be careful because even the position of the knife matters. I'm taking the knife, but the sharpness of the knife is away from the wiping cloth and away from my hand because I may cut myself or cut the wiping cloth. So I'm wiping, and remember that in the water we mixed vinegar to kill germs or bacteria or microbes, and then we use aluminum foil combined with salt to make our cutlery shiny. Like here you can see my cutlery is shining. And after wiping my knife, if I want to use my hand to take or to place the knife on the plate, this part is allowed to be used, not this one, because the guests use this up or sharp part to eat. So you have to hold it like this and you place it on the plate. So my second cutlery are spoons. There I'm using my wiping cloth to wipe spoons as one of my cutlery until they become shiny. And then I place it on the plate. I continue and so on. And here I have a separate, another type of cutlery, which are dessert forks. So whenever you want to wipe, please make sure that you are taking cutlery in the same group. Don't mix spoons and forks and knives at a go. So you wipe one by one. If you can look at my cutlery, they are shiny because of the aluminum foil combined with salt in hot boiling water. As we finish to clean or to wipe our cutlery, so the next step will be about how we arrange our cutlery in our side station. So I invite you to follow that step. Dear students, after wiping and polishing glasses, we need to arrange our side station. So the side station for a waiter is like a tool which can, or equipment which helps you to have all small things that you need during the service period. So what you need to do in order to arrange the side station. So the side station is big, and there we stock things like menus, some bill folders. We stock even the tray or trays, shakers, salt or pepper, and of course other things like napkins, condiments, and so on. But when we want to arrange cutlery after wiping them, here, if I open, the side station has compartments. So when you are stocking your items, your cutlery, you have to make sure that every cutlery goes in its compartment. There are families of cutlery like this table fork or dinner fork. So you have to put the dinner forks with other dinner forks here in their respective compartment. So you don't mix the dinner forks with starter forks, for instance. And the following is the starter forks. These ones, they are different to the first ones. So you stock them in their compartment. And of course, here we have like dessert fork, and I've wiped dessert forks, so I have to arrange them in this compartment of dessert fork. Here I have like dinner knives, so I have to see where my dinner knives are. So here I add on the existing dinner knives in their respective compartments. And here, of course, I have steak knives, so I'll add on the steak knives in its compartment. And then the soup spoon with soup spoon, and the dessert spoon with dessert spoon compartment. So there I finish to arrange my side station. So this means when I'll be working during my shift, if I need any cutlery, I'll know where to find it easily and accurately, right? Instead of rushing to the washing area or to the cuisine in order to get what I need, isn't it? So it's easy. This helps to smoothie the service. Thank you very much.